Kalamoo Kids. The following are real-life, unscripted conversations of kids who are creating their own card game and the challenges they face. This is their story.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
My name is Cece again. Yep.
My name is Sophia.
I'm Scott.
And I'm Daisy.
And we're going to talk about bugs in Battlemore. Yeah. How do you think our first cards turned out, everyone? Good.
Yeah.
So,
this time we are gonna do attack cards.
What's the thing all bugs do? What's the thing all bugs do? Huh?
Fly.
Some fly? No, not all of them fly. What about bite? Well, they don't always bite. Not all of them do. Oh, I don't know why. I just thought of snakes for a second. The reptile. What should all of our bugs have in common, anyways?
Yeah.
Should they all be biting? Should they all be able to sting? What? Like fire sting and stuff like that? Or like if you're electric or water, it can be like a water or electric sting? Or wind? I don't know. Or a stinger that shoots wind or something? I don't know. That's just an idea.
Maybe let's just stick for bite for now.
Yeah, let's stick for bite.
Because that's normal. All our bugs aren't going to be fire, water. It's not all going to be wind. It's not all going to be fire or water. I mean, there's a lot of things they couldn't be or could be.
If everyone got their idea, then let's get started.
Let's
get moving.
Let's Kalamoo!
Pencils, check. Paper, check. Coffee, check. Wait, what? How old are you? 16? 14? I don't know.
Okay, Daisy, you ready to see your card?
Yes, Daddy. Is it okay if I call you Daddy instead of your real name?
Yep.
So this is my card that I drew, and Daddy says this was the attack because it should, we talked through it. Daddy said it should be a bite. I don't know. So he showed me what to draw, so I drew this at the top. And basically my fire beam is shooting lasers from its eyes. And you probably recognize this a little bit because, yeah, in the last video I had a character exactly like this that was named Fire Flare, but it wasn't with the lasers shooting from the eyes. And there were two hearts, not this.
Okay. Bring it a little closer to the camera and show it to the camera.
Tell me if it's getting out.
Right there.
So this is Scott's first attack card. Here you go.
Hi.
What do you think? Do you like it? Like how it turned out?
Good.
What's it called?
Single string.
Yeah, why did you call it a single strangle?
Because of that, and it attacks once.
It attacks once. All right. So I think there's going to be a... What's coming after this? Your next attack card. You're going to call it something...
And this is going to be double strangle, then it's going to be strangle for real this time.
Ah, so we've got a theme going. Yeah. Hi, Cece.
Hi.
Would you like to see your next card? I'm going to show it to the camera first. Whoops, I'm going to show it to the camera first. Can you tell me what it's about?
It's about, well, it's an attack card, and it's about, it's in like street, but cards, it's called the Bitey Bite.
Oh, a bitey bite. So you attack somebody with that card?
Yeah.
Okay, Sophia. So first, we're going to show your picture to the camera. Here's what it looks like. Okay, you take it, you look at it yourself. Turn it around so that you can see it. Okay, what's it called? Okay, it's called water shock. Do you want to tell us what it's doing?
Yeah, waddle sock, waddle sock.
You want to tell us what it's doing in the picture?
Shooting a pit of water.
It's shooting water at its enemies, right? And shocking them with lightning. Okay. All right. Hold it up so the camera can see. All right, walk a little closer. Towards me. There.
Hit subscribe, like our videos, and share more with friends. And hit that bell. Ding, 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 Kalamoo! Let's go!
What's wrong with her? Is she broken?